Okay folks, this is Chef Kevin, and this video is about how to saute tofu. Now you can cook tofu in several different ways, but this is just going to be about sauteing, which I think is the quickest and tastiest method of cooking. Okay, so this is the tofu. This is extra firm. It says for stirring and sauteing at the top, and that's the one you want for stir fry and sauteing. They come in different firmnesses. Okay, tofu is made from bean curd. It's made from soybeans, and it is very versatile. You can put this in a salad, in a soup, a taco, a wrap, or you can just nosh on it as a snack. Instead of eating potato chips or something, you have something that's nice and healthy. So I'm going to show you how to cook it. Well, actually I'm going to show you how to prepare it first, and then how to cook it with a special sauce. Okay folks, for the first thing I'm going to do is try to get the excess water off of the tofu. There's a fair amount of water in tofu, and water and sauté do not mix well. So I have a paper towel here under the tofu. I'm going to take another paper towel, put it on top of the tofu, and then put a heavy weight on top of that. This is a little cast iron frying pan. So that'll squeeze the excess water out of it, and that'll take about 30-35 minutes or so. Okay, my fellow foodies, let's take a look-see here. Okay, the paper towel is completely saturated, top and bottom. That's quite a lot of water that came out of there. So what I'm going to do now is going to slice it up and then try to get a little bit more water out of it. Try to make these cuts as close as I can together, so they're all the same size. This one broke up a little bit on me. Okay. Come to Papa. Okay, I'm just going to give this a few more minutes. Get that water out of them, and then I'm going to start crisping them up for you. Well, I changed my mind, folks. I'm going to get a little bit more water out of these. Now you can cut these up in any shape you like. This is just your basic cube. It's nice size. It's not too big, it's not too small. Okay. Gonna let these dry off just a little bit more. Spread them out evenly so they all lie flat on the paper towel. Okay. Looking good, folks. There we go. Cover them up. A few more minutes and then I'm ready to start sauteing. Okay, folks, tofu is very tasteless unless you give it taste. So how I'm going to do that is I have a commercial brand ginger sriracha sauce. Has some hot peppers in it, vinegar. What else does it have? Jalapeno peppers, habanero peppers, citric acid, sugar, rice vinegar, ginger puree, water, salt, all that good stuff. Now you can make it yourself if you like. I'm just trying to save time and make it easy. The one thing it doesn't have in it, surprisingly, is soy sauce. So I'm going to add some soy sauce. Another thing it doesn't have, and this is not necessary, but I like it, peanut butter. You can also use nut butter. Nut butter is simply a paste formed from nuts. So peanut butter is considered a nut butter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix these together and whisk in some peanut butter. So that was about 5 to 6 ounces of the sriracha sauce and about 2 teaspoons full of soy sauce. And I got a pretty good amount here, probably 2 tablespoons so of delicious Skippy peanut butter. This is going to be nice and tasty. Smells good already. Okay, I'm going to start heating up my hot plate and show you how to actually saute it. Okay, I have my hot pan ready to go. Little oil. You must use a non-stick pan for this, otherwise your tofu will stick like crazy and it'll just be wasted. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put them in. Cooking these over medium-high heat. Okay, I'm going to spread them out so that they're not on top of each other. Okay, I'm going to let the hot plate do its thing here. I'm not going to be tossing them around. Going to get a little light brown coating on it, and within about 5 minutes I will toss it around. Wait another 5 minutes, and then I'm going to add the sauce. So keep watching, please. Okay folks, it's been 5 minutes. Has a nice little brown color to it, which is what we're looking for. I'm not quite ready to add the sauce yet. If you add the sauce too quickly, too early, you're going to burn it. I'm going to cook these for another 5 minutes or so. I just added the sauce. Now I'm going to keep cooking them until it gets nice and crispy. Probably another 5 minutes. Here it is, folks. Just out of the pan. Nice and crispy. Full of flavor. And like I said, this is a very healthy snack. I'm going to be putting this in a soup later. And maybe a salad. I'll see how I feel. And I'm going to be making a French beef stew over the weekend, so please check back. That was a request by Robert. I'm going to need some time on this because the cooking time is 3 hours. So please do check back, and thanks again for watching.